Hi everyone, just we will wait for others to join, then we will start the class.
Good morning, sir, and everyone. Good evening.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Hello, sir. Just waiting more candidates to join, then we will start the session.
Many candidates taking time.
Yeah. Okay, I got one Canva link. I'll just check it out. Great work, Emila ma'am. Great work. I just love the design. Both designs are very good. Great work, Rupa ma'am. Great work. Really loved it. Great work, Ayan. Very nice. And I'm really glad that you all have done the homework as well and sharing with me. Thank you. Very amazing. Very amazing. Shraddha, very amazing. Within a 2 days, you have done a very good work. Nice. Nice, Sriram. Now I'm checking Neelam's work. Great, ma'am. Great, great work, Neelam, ma'am. We can also make one unofficial group where we can, send all the homework on the daily basis so that each trainer can check that. Great work, Mohammed. I love the audience. You are really nice audience. You have done the homework and not even just to complete, you have finished the work very clean and neat. Vijay Kumari ji, this is the link is not shareable. Please share the link again. Very nice work. Very nice. Sumukha ji. I will ask MSME as well, and we can also make one unofficial group so that we can just you can share all the links there only so that we can check it.
Yes, yes, it's me, Sumka here.
Yeah, hi.
Hi, yes, yeah. I'm sharing yesterday's also.
Yeah. Yeah, so let's start. Let's not wait.
Yes, ma'am. We will start.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So, yeah, let me introduce myself, Gauri Kapoor, founder and director of Digital Dronacharya. So basically, let me appreciate you first before my introduction. Like, you all have done the amazing job. Amazing. Like, I haven't checked all the links, but whatever I have checked, it's too clean. It's too neat and clean. Literally, hats off to you. So well done, guys. In a 2 days, you have done a lot of work. Well
Thank
done.
you.
Well done.
Thank you.
Yeah, so let me introduce myself. Like, I'm the founder of Digital Dronacharya, and before starting this company, I was not into the entrepreneurship journey. I was like a job freak person who wanted to do something in the job sector only because of some failure in my past families. So in 2016, yeah, before into the digital marketing and AI industry, I was into the fashion designing industry, and I was working with a very good corporate as well. But in 2016, I was diagnosed with a brain cancer and the last stage. So I have to come back to my town, which is Sonipat. And at that time, if I say, nobody have heard about online digital marketing, nothing. So I was struggling because I was always a independent girl, and I was always wanted to do something as well. So I was struggling what to do, what to work. Obviously, I have decided not to die. So yeah, I wanted to do something. And then I got to know about digital marketing, and there is a story I will let you know in a short. This session, obviously, we will cover the topic, but just wanted to, motivate you somehow. So that's why telling you my story as well. So I was went for my like checkup in Medanta, Gurgaon. So nearby it was a Google office. So I went there. I said, just please teach me digital marketing. I was just searching out like this is the something subject which has wings, which can give me work from home. Like I have to take care of my family as well. Like my father was not in a very good stable position. He was also down with his health, and he passed away 3 years ago as well. So I have to like do something. I was the elder one. So I went there. I said, they said you will have your chemos and everything. I said, no, I will. If you will say 2 hours, I'll give you 10 hours. I will do the work. I will never give you any excuse. Just teach me. So yeah, that's how my journey began. I learned there, I worked there, and after that I started teaching in my hometown Sonipat. And from there, like my first batch, like I proudly say that my first batch was of women only who wanted to take, their husband's business to online. And after COVID, also we are booming. So yes, that's how I started my journey in the digital marketing. So we started teaching, and Akash sir joined me, Mohit sir joined me, and I got a very best team. So far, we are teaching from in MSME since like now 7 8 years, and yeah, we like me. I'm connected to the topic cancer as well. So we are teaching more than 20,000 plus cancer patients as well. And we only, got a motive that someone needs to be get independent, no matter what. If you are independent at any stage of point, you will somehow feel everything is small. Like my cancer was small because I was independent at that time. My brain was like, I have to finish that task, I have to do that task. And yes, for the God grace, my reports are totally fine from the past 4 years. And even not get it operated as well, I was totally get fine with the homeopathic medicines, and here I'm sitting with you teaching you today. So thank you for audience for being here. This is just a message that from this class, like before we do 15 days class, and even that we get a lot of successful stories that yeah, we always receive a message that we are doing this internship, we are earning this much. So just please take an oath, like we will learn, and obviously we will earn from this skill as well. We will guide you each and every step to how you can, from these learnings, how you can earn. So I hope everyone is connected to me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Amazing. What an amazing journey, ma'am. Honestly, very inspiring. Thank
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. So yes, we will start the today's topic, and yes, we will be connected as well. I'll share my screen. Today we will do the topic presentations. We will start with the presentations. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Yeah, even my story. Thanks a lot. Let me share my screen. So we will start the topic presentation. As you all know, the presentation is very important task. I hope you all have done as well before, like creating presentations
Yes.
on. Yeah.
Yeah.
So we will. So we will go again to templates. Then we will write presentations. I hope this all of the things are clear with you. As you can see here, we have a lot of templates. A lot of templates are there. So we have to select one and then we can change as well. I will choose this. The impact of social media on you. So this is the template we have taken. First of all, always remember to rename. Like what I gonna teach you is for my NGO only. So if you have seen all the things, you remember every like text, how to change the text font and the size
So
and the text.
we have not worked on presentation templates. We've worked on those posters and everything. But I think these options with the text and everything, we do know that.
Yeah, okay, you do know, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So basically, the presentation is the design. We will get it something different. Otherwise, all the things are same. Only in that case, like this UI you have not seen. Like in this, we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like this, we have pages. So the impact of social media on you and the images and everything, this is something different. And you know the elements part. So this is the text part. Again, I'm just giving you a quick brief because we need to cover three things today. And this is the size and the color, bold, italic, underline. So you know all these things. I hope everything is clear to you. Any question in this?
No, ma'am.
Perfect. So like if we want to choose any other template, we can from here only. And we will, whenever we will choose the template, for example, this apply to all 10 pages, or we can change one by one exit. So this is, if I was on the second page, the first page is same. And from second page, it has changed. So I will just do undo. So if we need to put this one in the template section, then apply 10 pages on the, sorry, just a second. Yeah, on the first page. Perfect. Are we clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
We can also generate the PPT as well by the prompt. For example, it's your choice for the homework. You can choose your own topic as well, or I can also give you one topic to like create a presentation. So I'm taking the prompt like we have an NGO. There is one NGO in Sonipat, like I'm connected since starting. So I was working on the presentation only. If you want, I can give you that topic as well, or you can choose of your own as well, like digital marketing or something. NGO spread smile foundation and want to create presentation on social impact. So this is how they have given you the templates. Someone's voice is disturbing us. Someone is unmute.
I think it's Mohammed Zain, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, let me check. Yeah. Perfect. Thank you. So there are a lot of templates. I'm again liking this one only. So there are a lot of templates we can choose from here. Anyone wants to give suggestion to choose any one of the topic?
Preserving the environment.
Sorry. Okay. Preserving the environment. This one. Okay. So I have one. Already read like I'll just teach you. For the logo, I'll just download it. So how we will upload the logo? Everyone knows?
Yes. Upload file.
Perfect. So there is, I think, a white area. So how we will make it transparent?
Remove PG.
Go to
Perfect. Very nice. Everyone remembers everything. Good audience. And we can, like this is the thing, what this is happening. We can put any image in the background as well. Like, let me show you. This is the transparent image. If I take anything, any, image, let me show you elements. We'll go to photos. And let's see, let's take this one. So we have to drag it. If we drag, we can put it into the background like this. So we can change the background like this. Clear, everyone?
Yes.
ma'am.
Yeah. So we will simply change the text, and after changing the text, we have to align it. And I think the logo will look good more here. So I will put it here. We can change the color as well. Of course, we should remove the background first, then put it. I'm just not gonna waste time. So that's why I'm telling you all the steps so that you can create it easily. So of course, NGO project is fine. And the text is ready with me, which is project Vidyapal. A knowledge today is June 24, 2026. So this is how, and regarding Vidyaful, of course, it's a teaching base, so we have to change the image as well.
Yes, ma'am.
Noise is coming. Can you please write it down? Everyone is muted? Yeah. You can just write it down and I will take the queries as well at the end. I'm just showing you one page. Okay, so students learning and sitting in the park. And the so a lot of pictures has came, but they are not underprivileged. So we need to search it on Google so that we could get a good image. Or we can just create it on ChatGPT as well. Underprivileged students learning. Yeah, we got a good image. So let's take this one. Yeah, now we will change the color again. Clear, everyone? So basically, whenever we will create a PPT, we must understand that we have the text, we have the content created with us, and after that, how many pages we want. Then, secondly, of course, the pages should align with each other, like you can see first, then second, then third. Now, second and fourth is almost like the same core thing, then sixth, then eighth, like this. Clear, everyone?
Clear,
Will
ma'am.
you
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Will you face any issue creating PPT?
No, ma'am.
Perfect. One more thing I wanted to know, like you will create a topic on your own or you need topic from my end?
No, ma'am. Like we can create on our own, ma'am. I hope it
Uh,
will be okay.
yeah, perfect, perfect. That would be great. You can take any topic of yours, like you can take digital marketing or something, topic to our related to our course or something. You can take any topic. Okay. So next is what we will design is business card. So we all know when we start talk about business cards. So in the market they charge for the designing as well. If we know how to design it, so that we can also create, because we know about our company, we know about each and everything on our own, and if we want we can create others as well by taking a charge. So business card basic necessity is, can anyone tell for what all the basic necessities of the business card we will be needing?
As in what appears on the business card? Or like,
Yeah.
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 So the name, the designation of the person, the name of the person, the name of the company, phone number, email address, I guess.
Yeah. And
Name of
yes.
the business and proprietor,
Yeah.
Yeah. Address, probably.
contact number, address, and logo.
Gmail
Yeah.
ID,
Email
Lo-
ID.
yes.
LinkedIn ID also.
LinkedIn ID as well. Yes. And the logo is also main part. We
Mm.
need the logo as well. We need to create the logo as well because you know logo is something which is very important. To design the logo, we need to understand first, like what is the story behind our startup or our company, who all are here running any kind of business. Anyone from the sector who is running business?
Yes.
Okay,
GST number is
Hotel,
important.
hotel
perfect. Perfect. Those who are not running business, they also not need to understand, if you're giving logo, first of all, logo charges are too high. Too high, actually too high. Like mainly if we go for the logo, it starts from like 6,000 even, like the basic logo as well. So logo charges are high, and before creating a logo, we need to understand that what is the story behind the company, and how we can create think about the creativity in one letter. If we say like my company is Digital Dronacharya, so DD. So behind DD, we need to think like, okay, Digital Dronacharya, what all we can take or how we can make DD unique. So that's how our logo need to be designed. So first you need to understand that there are two type of thinking to create a logo. Oh, nice, sir. Nice. So basically, first one is you want to correlate with your company's nature. Like if your company's is regarding homestay, or your company's is regarding like agriculture or education base. So you need to design like that, or you will do another thing like Google did. Like they have not taken any name which has a meaning. So what they did, they just created a logo which is itself a unique but not related to any search engine factor or any of their like any of their products. So this is how it's somehow you know unique. So if we talk about business card, let's start do check how to create a business card. And what we will do, we will check it out, and I'll give you a time to work as well. And then we will start creating first business card, and after that we need logo, and I will let you know about the tools as well, apps as well, so that we can create it. Are we together, everyone?
Ma'am, there's one doubt. I'm having it. So do you have to make a business card in the Canva or something?
Yeah, we need to make a business card in Canva. I'm just showing how. So presentation, any doubt in the presentation?
No, ma'am.
Perfect. Again, we can say a lot of templates and the new unique one templates. I'll take that one which is not paid. Always remember, first thing is to change, rename. So here we will change the name. Of course, if you like the phone, and in the business card, if you choose, around a lot of templates, then you will understand that a lot of phones are there, and then you will analyze that this is the phone, you like it or not. So obviously we need the company logo here.
Digital drone joy.
Someone's again are like yeah, unmuted, I think. Now what I need to do, I need to resize it so that it comes here only. Okay, and the name and the details will be the same, but I'll teach you how to add a QR. We will go to, so a lot of QR they have given in the app section. As you can see, the QR badge.
Ma'am, one doubt is there. Like, is this app like creation of the QR code? I mean, do you have to make the code, then QR code will be created?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, so basically we there are a lot of options because they have given unique ideas. If you are using a AI, like sorry, cake industry, or making cake pastries, like Winnie is a brand over here, and Winnie director want to design his business card, so there is a QR cake. So they have given a lot of QR, which is in a unique way, themselves a unique way. So I'll let you know how we can create the QR. I'll take this one. So for example, this is our one of the patented company. I'll open over here only. So I'll take the link and I'll paste it. And I can choose the templates as well. Here, a lot of templates are there, but I wanted to keep it simple. I don't want to decorate as well because decorations will not be needed for an education company. So here are the margins we can redesign. I think this will look better. And it's a fill, or we don't want to fill, we can change the color as well. So this is fill, but I want to change the color. So I can change the color as well. I think this will, if I want to add logo, I can see, take out the margins as well. Now save to upload or add data to design.
Ma'am, I have one more doubt.
Yeah,
Ma'am, if the person is going to start a business card or a business,
yeah,
even though like he wants to create a QR code in the Canva,
yeah,
and he doesn't know how to make a QR code, like he actually doesn't know how to like, I mean, he doesn't know, I mean, he doesn't
yeah,
know like what is coding is, and he doesn't learn.
yeah.
So how can make the QR code, ma'am?
Basically, QR code outside the Canva is paid, sir. A lot of sites are there where it's a paid, and this is the place where you can create it for free. So I think there is nothing wrong by creating QR over here because one of my student was there whose business regarding the QR only. So basically the customized QR things, like you must have seen a person is creating for the desk QRs, for the scanners. You must have seen in the restaurants.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, for that he came up like I need to come again and again on Canva and then create it. Is there any? So they were like we found out like we were researching that if we get a good website or something, but they were charging very huge, actually very huge.
Okay, just for make a one QR code.
Yeah, and again the barrier was that if I made the QR code for my website, right? Then it's perfect because majorly our website link is always same. But what if we want to change the link or if we want to change the menu? Some people gets the QR for the menu card as well. I'm just giving you one tip in between. So there is a site, link tree.
Yeah, ma'am. I have heard of it, ma'am.
Yeah.
So
So
these big influencers and YouTube container use this link tree.
yeah, so whenever you create a link, you should always use Linktree. And then, from the Linktree, you should create a link where I put my website links. You should use the Linktree link so that if you want to change any link, any link you want to change you can. I have already logged in, I can show you as well because I have that QR code as well, so I gave him my Linktree link. So whenever I wanted to change I can, and whenever a person scan that QR code, so it shows the Linktree and they can open anything they want to. So yes, we should choose the Linktree for that, and it's very simple. I can tell you about the link tree as well to sign up as well.
Ma'am, for the signing up, we need like it is the age now, ma'am, because I'm 17 years old and only 18 plus people can join it.
Yeah, that's true. But yeah, you must have created your like Gmail or something for the
Yes,
18.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, then you can create it. It's very easy. So
Okay.
basically, yeah. So the QR is part is clear to everyone.
Okay, ma'am. Understood. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, this QR code is meant for payment,
No, no, sir.
pay.
No, no, not for the payment. Basically, the QR code is very important nowadays for our website, for to take the reviews on our website. for our Google reviews. Basically, if you are running a business or you want to do the consultation for a company, you must give an idea that a business card needs to get the QR code, because if someone is using business card, if they will scan, because the scanning part is very easy by the Google Lens, so it can be a website, your website.
Okay.
And yes, I can explain again for sure. And second part is the website first, second is your reviews, Google reviews, third is your Instagram as well, so that people can tag you. It's according to business, which we will discuss as well. In the social media classes, we will understand the business and what business strategies we should make, how to make a content calendar. All these things we will discuss in the coming classes, but you can understand that for this business we need to click
Right.
website. For this business you need for the Instagram. This is when you are giving to service to another person, because we also charge very high for the QR code. But if we are making for ourselves, we should sign up on Linktree, which I
Oh,
was telling you. Because if I am signing on Linktree, here I have all the links I wanted to put. Because like I do take the wish links as well, but here I have the courses, agency, website pages. So I can put any link on my wish link. If anyone wants to click on that, they can. So let me show you how we can do that. Business card, I hope everything is clear to you. First, I will show again the QR part from the starting. So
yes.
basically, we just click on apps, and then we have to search for QR. Then a lot of QRs are there. I have selected this one. I can select this one as well, but I want my logo in this. It's already showing again, so I will take the another one so that I can let you know. Let's take this. Again, another QR has another, like styles and identities. In this, we cannot create anything, just a simple QR. That's it. What I chose, because I want in my logo, like my logo to be there in my QR, so that was there in the QR. So that was Gen QR. You can note it down as well, Gen QR.
Ma'am, I have one doubt, ma'am. Ma'am, while
Yeah,
you create this QR code, I mean QR code content, so
yeah,
like whenever we see the QR code or you try to do payment in the UPI, this
yeah.
QR code have an access. So like right now you have made it this QR content code with your website, right?
Okay.
So ma'am, is this QR code can be accessible if you make it?
For the payment one, right?
Like not for the payment, like right now you have explained about the recent example.
Yeah.
So like I was saying that when you made this QR code, like is it accessible? Like can we go to the another website or
Yeah,
any
yeah.
internet?
Yes, yes. Totally, totally, totally. Whenever you
Okay.
create a logo, just go to your Google Lens. I'll give you a time for that as well if we left with, otherwise, this is the homework. You will just scan it and the website will open.
Okay, ma'am. If
That's,
we ma'am, if we make the QR code in the Canva.
yeah,
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
perfect. Sure, ma'am. I'll just teach you again about the QR code. So basically, QR is something that we can scan our website through QR. Okay, so there's nothing. You just needed to note down the steps. You have to go to the apps. In the apps, we have to write QR, and the second website. Obviously, it could be rank in your Canva another place, but which I personally liked is Gen QR. So after QR code content, we have to put the link any link. It's your Facebook, it's your Instagram, it's your website. So I put my website link. So they have the templates given.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, could you please scroll up? Where did you get that link?
No, this is my website
This
link, ma'am.
QR code content, from where should we create that?
In the app section. In the app section, it's Gen QR.
Okay, so that creates automatically the QR code content.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So yes, this is the color it was, but I didn't like that. So I changed the color from here. I need the darker one. Yeah. And that's it. The image I can put from here if I want to put the logo. I just upload it and add to design. It's as simple as that. Now we will move on further. I was just showing you how to sign up for the Linktree. So basically, Linktree is a place where you can place a lot of links and then create your QR. So here we will write username. It's Mohit sir's ID, so I will use his name only. Oh gosh, dear. Or I can do it with the Google as well. So I'll just choose with Google.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, about the Linktree, ma'am, I have tried Linktree, but the thing is that it just asks about my age and everything. So,
Yeah.
the Linktree, I'm not sure, like, but I've explored something else. Like, you
Yeah.
can give your designing, you can give your website also, and everything. And also,
Yeah. That is what I was just trying to show you. I'll just give you a brief of every part here.
okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So when we come to a link tree, this is how it looks. First, they are asking to customize it, which is theme. So basically, it shows it's a website, but no, it's not a website. Basically, it's just a landing page where you can put your own links. So first question is, it's not a website, it's just a links getting together so that people who searches you can check everything about you, about your portfolio. For example, LinkedIn, your CV, your Facebook, Instagram, they can check everything. So first of all, this is not website, it's just a links together showing your portfolio. Secondly, we can just choose our theme, how we want it to look. Obviously, these themes will be pro, I think. Yeah, this is one. This one is pro. This is this is not pro, but I'm not liking it again. I like this one only. Perfect. And it is customized as well. If I come to the customizable, then we can change the boxes, how it looks. Again, not pro. Everything almost pro, but yeah. Perfect. I can take the darker one as well. I like this one only. Now they have an option called enhance as well. But again, this will be coming into the now we have chose the theme, then we have header. Sir has already made his own logo. I'll just teach you this as well. There is a tool, just write it down. Please, I hope you are writing down all the tools.
Yes, absolutely.
Perfect.
Yes, ma'am.
So it's PFP Maker. PFP Maker. So what I just wanted to teach you, like he has put his image on the circle, how he did it. So it's a PFP maker where we can just create our profile picture. So let me download my image. Which one I should take? I think I will take this one. Yeah.
Ma'am, these are your images actually?
Yeah, these are my images only. We work on SEO, like search engine optimization. You will learn in this.
Okay, ma'am.
So yeah, we work on a lot because we just wanted to be get ranked on top 100 pages. So obviously ads will come because their earning sources are from the advertisement only. These parts also you will learn in this session. So this is it's making profile PFP maker. You can see a lot of designs they have made. We just needed to upload PFP maker. We can just check as well, like the zoom this way, and we can also change the colors, background colors as well. And then we have the option of square, round, rounded corners, and the extra rounded. This is how. And then we have just a second, professional one. As you can see, the Mohit sir has used the first one only in the circle. His image is showing. This is getting loaded. Within a second, it will be loaded. The first one. For example, this has been uploaded. So simply customized, and you can also do some of the editing and simply download. That's it. This tool is also one of my favorite tool, PFP maker. So this is how you can create your professional profile image. Are we together, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Perfect. So yes, then we need to put our title. His blog name was Digitally Bulan, so it's the title he has already gave. You can just write it down your name as well. Then the textile we can do. We can put the logo as well, and then we have the wallpaper, which is the background. So we can change that as well, like the gradient we have choose. We can change the text, buttons, colors, then stickers. This is the basic things. I'll come to the point. Yeah, save changes. Then we have the part link. So basically to add a link, you just have to click on add. Just you have to put your link here, for example, like this. And the link is added. Now you have to come over here and then you need to add T3M Academy. Like this. You need to change these things by yourself only. Are we together?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. So that's all about the PFP maker and the link. So of course, yes, we need to create the business card as well. Now we will come to the major part, how to create a logo. Have anyone created logo before?
No, ma'am.
So we will come to logo. Again, we need to come to the templates. Here we have a lot of templates given there. That's the good part about Canva, because there are two things, like our creative brain and the logical brain. Our logical brain is working so much on the daily basis, but the creative brain is not working at all. That's why we gave the homework of creating, two posters as well. Because creativity we used to do like in our childhood days, while doing drawings, while creating pictures, painting. Some of people like the paintings, but most of us doesn't do that. So the creative brain is totally not working. But when we create two posters, we analyze like, okay, this is the food book poster, this is the travel post, this is the things which get to be needed, this is the text font, this is the color theme. So that will take, obviously, with the practice, it will get you to the professional way. So in the past as well, in the past batches, from these things, people are earning very good, because we will let you know how to apply and how to take work. So yes, you are also creating your portfolio on the daily basis. So please make sure that obviously you have done the homework. Everyone, I appreciate it, but make sure to do the homework on time only, so that your portfolio has been created. And when we work on internships and all, so it's very easy for us. So here we have the logo which we chose. So basically you have to decide one template. Then you can take any of the, like my Instagram handle is that positive girl. So I will choose this only. Changing lives by inspiring. Oh yeah, there was one more tagline I used to type: cancer patient by chance, entrepreneur by heart. So this is I have created. So for the logo, you just need to understand first that simply you can take examples by taking, elements in the templates, and then change what we can use it. For example, logo sign. So here it will show a lot of signs you can use it for the logo purpose. So it will guide you if you can change it, if you can make it, right? And then again, we have a part of apps. Just wrote it down. I will please note it down. I'll also write it down in the chat as well. Okay.
Ma'am, 1 second. This logo is in again Canva only, right, ma'am?
Yeah, we are doing the Canva part only, ma'am. First with their presentation.
Yeah. So when we can go to elements and find logos, right, ma'am?
No, in the templates, we went for the, again, I can give you a guidance again. I'll start it. Okay. Presentation in Canva, then business card, from templates in Canva, QR in apps section in Canva, Linktree on searched on Google, PFP maker for customized images, profile picture, I can say, searched on Google, Linktree, searched on Google, again, business card I haven't wrote. Yeah. Now logo and Canva tools. So we can just write it down, the tool's name. It's one is Logo Master. First is Logo Master. I'm just giving you the alternative. Gen Logo. And the last one is Logo Maker. You can also note it down. Logo Master. Yeah. So again, I came to the section. I'll just again let you know, ma'am, how I came to the logos. So anything we want to search, we just need to first come to the templates. If we search on home, our projects also shows. So when we come to the templates, first we need to search logo. And then we have to choose one of the template, and of course we can categorize as well, do the styling as well, language as well, but I prefer by choosing and then went to the platform, so that platform is like easy for me. For example, I'm just taking this one, customize this template. My habit is first we change the name. Okay, so this is the icon part. We can choose the icons on Google as well. We will get a lot of icons on Google, and we can also choose icon in the elements part. That's what I was saying. For example, I was searching like my Instagram handle, that positive girl. For this, I need to take it on a one size, and if I want, I can change the font as well. Anything we can put it over here or remove as well. So this is R. I will put or GS. Well, like Gauri is my name, so anything I can take. So this is how we will create a logo, and we can change. This is the recommendations they have also given to change magic recommendations. And if you want to generate, you can generate as well. So they will give you a lot of graphics which can put over here. This is a graphic because I wrote that positive girl. So here it comes like this, or I can just write it down positivity. Then it will show the positive kind of things. And if I write peace, it will show in that way. So basically you have to give a lot of time by selecting your logo, because logo is something which define your brand. So you just have to spend time on thinking what element can be added, what is uniqueness can be given, and by searching a lot of logos, you will understand. And after, are we together everyone till now? Everything is clear so
Yes,
far?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt so far?
No, ma'am.
Perfect. I will take the doubts as well, and you can ask any questions because I'm trying to finish it, and I'll give you my 10 minutes to you so that you can ask any question regarding anything, so that I can understand what anything extra you are thinking from this class, so that we can arrange that as well. Of course, we will cover the syllabus as well, but we can give you extra time as well, so that I will give you my time for the 10 minutes as well. So yeah, now we will go to the app section. This is How? App section. Okay. What was the first tool?
Ma'am, it is about a logo maker.
Yeah, it's Logo Master.
Sorry, logo master. Sorry, logo
No
master.
worries, no worries. So this is Logo Master, the first tool. Okay. For the Logo Master here, you can see if I write it down logo again, a lot of tools will be coming. But I'm just asking for the Logo Master. Now for the Logo Master, of course, it also says inspire me. So it will come here only a lot what you can create. But go to ChatGPT and you can also create your own prompt. Like I just write it down a logo for that positive girl who's a founder and director of Digital Dronacharya in 2-3 lines only because it doesn't give a lot. So I'll just copy this and I'll come here. So let's generate. While it's generating, I just wanted to show already Mohit sir has made quite logos as well. I was checking his projects. Home.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
I'm not able to find it logo master here. Where did you go for finding it?
In the app section, ma'am. In the app section.
Okay, thank you.
So he made this Mohit Kaushik. See the clarity in the K. He found out. And this one, Mohit Kaushik. And this one as well. I asked him to give you this prompt as well because this is very good prompting he made. Because I like the way this M and K came. So I'll just ask him to give you this prompt because I just love this prompt. A very clarity in this. Yeah, let's check what it made. Yeah, so that positive girl generate. Yeah, so basically I have no left credits over here. It's credit based. So I'll use the another one now. Again, I will go the app section. What was the next one?
Ma'am, logo maker.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
like one more dot I'm having, ma'am. Like
Yeah.
you can make the logo, like you can prompt it and you can this AI can generate it, right?
Yeah.
So, ma'am, is it okay like we can put our photos in there and we can create a prompt and our photo can be made as a logo? Is it possible?
Yeah, that's possible. You are just asking for the chat GPT, right?
Yeah.
So basically, whenever you write, like create it on Chat GPT, that is an image which is already created, which is not you will able to do the part of changing anything in that. What if you want to get printed and you want the high quality? So whenever you are here, if you want to like download in a very high quality, then we have an option which is PDF print. So in this place, of course, ChatGPT is very good. We will also cover the ChatGPT for creating all these such things.
Yeah,
But
ma'am.
yeah,
But can we put our photos in the logo maker, our photos, to create into
uh,
logo?
basically, in the logo, we have not seen like our photo. To be very honest,
Okay,
like you
ma'am.
can create it, but in the logo, usually photos are not there.
Okay, ma'am.
Because logo is a symbol to get recognized. If you think of Mercedes, if you think of BMW, if you think of Suzuki, so logo is something which is again like this is the only part which is logo. This is the text which we will write it down. This is also we
Okay,
will
ma'am.
get it. So the only icon and the part which, that is the most important part.
Okay, ma'am. Understood, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. So that's how they have created one logo for that positive girl. This is the icon, which is not that good, although. So this is how they have created. It's just a prompting we need to create, and for the prompting also we can say ChatGPT very clearly. Please give me a good prompt for a logo which looks professional for that positive girl. So they will give you a good prompt as well, which you can use it and create a good logo as well. Anything else in this part? Any doubt so far?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Clear so far?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. And also about the Gen logo, ma'am. Gen logo,
Sorry?
Gen logo.
Gen logo?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it done or I think so. I have missed it.
No, it's done. It's done.
It's done. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah, perfect. So let me ask now, any doubt so far? I will take the doubt session, then I can take the queries as well. Yeah, any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Everyone, any doubt? Ma'am, you have asked for the link tree. I think you have asked like before only, or should I explain? Okay, so
Ma'am,
basically,
Ma'am,
yeah.
I have
Can you
a doubt. Can I
come
ask?
again, presentation, first part of it, how to do
Just
it?
okay, just one by one. If you can
Hmm.
write it down or just can raise
Chat box,
hand.
I will write it.
Yeah. So basically, for the Linktree, ma'am, Linktree basically it's a platform where you can create your own links. If you have a website, if you have Instagram, if you have Facebook, if you have LinkedIn, you can just put it all the links, and the Linktree will create a link for you, and that can be put it into the QR code in your business card. So that is what we call the Linktree, and which is a very major part, because when we make a business card and we get print like in a lot of numbers, so it's very difficult to change that. So if you make a link tree and do the amendments later, that would be really fine. Yeah. So yeah, next one is how many generate logo. So basically we get the like 8 credits per day, and if we take if we make one logo, it will take 2 credits. So yes, 3 logos only.
Ma'am, maximum like we can create only 3 logos. Like there is
Yeah,
no.
in a day, and you can switch the email IDs. Of course. And there are a lot of tools. These are the ones which give you a unique way. If you go to the app section, you will write it logo. There are a lot of tools. So yes, logo maker. These tools I have given you, which is personally our favorite, because they have given us the accurate way what we wanted it. So for the presentation part, like what you need to like understand, just if you can just explain me, because you can check the recordings later as well. And if you need to understand any particular part, or if you want to ask like how I can open a presentation, then I can give you a brief of that. Very
Excuse me, ma'am.
yeah.
Excuse me, ma'am. I didn't get the difference between this Zen logo and logo maker. Could you please explain again?
Basically, Gen Logo and Logo Maker are the only logo making apps only. If you have like lost your credit, then you can make it on another one. Both are like good ones only. They are the tools with another name doing the same thing at the same time. So that is the only difference, not
Oh,
major difference.
okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. Yes, yes. AI generated, basically, whenever the image is AI generated, the government has said yeah, like the part of digitalization has said that every image AI is generating is unique in its own way. It's not used by someone else. So AI is giving every time a new QR, which is you know, if you can see the image, there is a code behind it. So every image has their own unique code. So nothing else.
I'm like, this whole process will help eventually for a digital marketing campaign.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes, totally. Because day by day you will learn how to make a social media pages, how to create a website, how to create how to do it SEO. SEO is like search engine optimization for ranking. So for the each part, graphic is the main thing. And for the graphic, we were actually so stuck before when it was the Photoshop, because it takes a lot of time, it needs your each detailing. So thanks to Canva, my personally favorite, from the day one I started my journey, because I created my logo myself. I created each and every graphic of my website for myself. So thank God that and I was never a very creative girl. I was always a logical person. So in the fashion designing also, I was in the merchandise only. So for the creative part, I was very bad. So thanks to Canva for making me creative on the daily basis, and this is something which will never leave you. Canva from the day one to the last breath of your life, because you will be needing graphic for the social media, graphic for everywhere. You need that, and obviously for you as well, and for if you will create work for someone else, then also it will be great work.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can you please tell me that if we have Magic Media app for image generation,
Yeah,
why
yeah.
can't we use that for generating logo instead of the special app for logo generation, which will take more credits, as far as I can understand?
Yeah. You can use that as well. Basically, what happens, so uh, let's say if there is a franchise of overall work, like they have sandwiches as well, they have burgers as well, they have noodles as well, and you will get the mix of everything. But there is a franchise of only burger, like Burger King, so you will get specialization in burgers. So that is the only difference between these tools. If we go to the specific tool, so they will give you more better result. That's the only difference. Otherwise you can use the both. It's just
Yes,
the
ma'am, but
yeah.
ma'am, but as far as I can understand, the apps, the image generation app can take
Mm-hmm.
more credit, has more credit as far as I know. Am I right,
Yes,
ma'am?
yes, you can. Yes, yes. You can use that before to understand what you need better. And to refine it, you can use it. You can come to the logo maker and all, because they are specially based on logo. So they will make sure to get, part on the like you have seen Mohit sir's logo, so that
Yes.
you can connect on the like M and K. What can be unique come with the M and K, and for sure I'll ask him to give you that prompt, because I just love that MK in a very beautiful way. So that is the only difference I feel a specific apps can give. That's what I experienced basically. Of course,
Thank
you
you.
are right, but this is somehow the more tools I can provide and the opinion as well. But of course, you can use that as well.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, most welcome. Okay, so you are saying to please open the presentation and explain. Okay, I'll just give you a quick, uh, just a second. I'll just open it. So I'll come to.
Ma'am, creating visiting card is over, ma'am, right now?
Yeah, ma'am. Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So basically, presentations. We will write this. Sorry, on the templates, I have to write it down. Now you can choose any of the quick they are showing.
Okay, madam. Please.
Yeah, let me see. On a page like this one. I can choose this one. Customize it template. And the same way you have made the food poster, you just start editing. You have to choose the topic first. Then you can edit each thing over here. Images, you can put anything you want to change, just you have to click and then change. And ma'am, you were saying about the part of business card. So basically, whenever you go to the Canva templates business card, they will give you the first page and the second page. So basically, you need to fill the things you wanted to add and then generate the QR code. That's it.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Any other questions? So yes. Yeah.
Ma'am, what is the homework actually?
Yeah, I just wanted to come to that part only. So homework is we need to create one presentation. You can use just 4 or 5 pages only. No need to take a stress of 10 pages or 12 pages. So only 5 to 6 pages. Like I'll just write it down the homework.
Ma'am, it will be
Create.
better if you send in the WhatsApp group.
Yeah, sure. Perfect. I'll just share it on the WhatsApp group, but I'll explain you as well here. So you have to create a presentation of 4 5 words, and 4 5 pages, and then second is you need to create your business card, and for the business card you need to create a logo. So that is the homework. One logo, one business. Yeah.
Ma'am, for this this 4 5 pages, like what you have to create actually in the presentation?
Yeah, you can choose any topic. For example, digital marketing. You can choose AI, how AI is changing the world. So basically, you can choose. You have to choose one of the topic. You can take the help of ChatGPT or Gemini to create the content, and then you have to make a presentation.
Ma'am, this presentation is used for these pamphlets or printing and for the publicity. That is
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You have to go to the Canva and choose the presentation and then create it a topic of your own and between the technology only, like digital marketing, AI, or something else.
Ma'am, one presentation and then
One business card and one logo in the business card. Of course, you will create one logo as well. So one logo, one business card, and one presentation.
okay.
Yeah. And if you feel like it's exhausting, you can take one day as well. So at the end of the day, we will check it out. Like if you have Saturday, Sundays as well. So if you feel like a lot of homework is there, so you can take your time. We can check on the weekends as well.
Ma'am, the presentations that we will make in Canva, we have to present it on Canva only, or we can shift to another app like we make in PowerPoint, na?
No, you can present it to Canva only.
Okay.
QR code, can we add our payments and Instagram also in Gen QR, right? Yeah, through Linktree you can do it, because if you want to put 2 3 QRs, you cannot. You have to use one QR now, one business card only. So if you want to put one QR of like only payment or Instagram, you have to choose one, or you can use the Linktree for that. I hope everything is clear to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. So the motive of the class is for the further, I just wanted to give you a brief. Like, sorry, just a question. One more came, ma'am. For the QR, what we have add like the link for this. If you don't have any link so far, don't worry about that. Don't add the QR. Just create the business card. We will make our own website in this session. Then we can add the QR code. If you have anything, for example, Instagram or something you want to add, then you can add. Otherwise, we will create our own website in this class. Yes. only one QR we can add in the same time in one business card. It doesn't look good, two QR codes. So motive is for a 1 month we will be together learning a lot of things, and the main purpose of learning all of things that can make you become more, like, obviously you all are somehow self independent maybe, but to give you more earning sources if you have your own earning sources. If you don't have earning sources, to give you one earning sources and make you self dependent, and how to create yourself a brand or to make someone a brand. So this is the motive so far. And in the past 2 days I got a brilliant, like, motivation. So sorry, because Mohit sir was appreciating. I can also see as an audience you are engaging, you are learning each and everything. You are asking again if you have any doubts. So hats off to you. Hats off. I just love the session because I rarely teach now because I am the person who have to manage other things of the company, and the teaching is the part I have my whole heart. So thanks a lot for being a very good audience. And the homework part was very amazing. I would prefer that we should make an unofficial page, like for a group, so that you can, engage with us. You can ask questions in between as well. If you want to ask, we will answer. And of course, I would love to see the homework as well, because only Mohit sir and Akash sir will get the opportunity to see the work. But when I saw the work, it was totally amazing, super amazing. And it was not my class today. It was just Mohit sir has to attend one wedding of his own house. So he asked earlier only that he will not be there. So that was the fortunate that I was fortunate to get the session today. So I just love to see the work. Like in 2 days, you were so amazing. Hats off. Thank you so much for being that audience, good audience, because each month we teach one batch and it's so great to see good batch. So thank you. Keep the motivation on, and we will be there for you. Anytime you need any help, we will be there for you. And just wanted to ask you, thank you so much. Thank you. Just wanted to ask as well, how did you like the session?
It was
Ah,
wonderful, ma'am.
oh, thank you so much.
Thank
Thanks
you
a
so
lot.
much, ma'am. Thank you so much for the beautiful session. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
It was a good session, ma'am. So I just helped you so much. Just asking some doubts. So yeah.
Thanks a lot, Dharindam. Thanks a lot. Really means a lot. This is something which keeps us, motivating. That love from all of you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. It was nice meeting you.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am,
you.
and send the homework in the group also. Thank
Yeah,
you.
I'm just sharing the homework in the group. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye, everyone. See you tomorrow. I'm excited to see you tomorrow. Yes.
Bye,
Thank
ma'am.
you. Bye, everyone. Have a good day. Thank you so much. Oh, thank you so much. That really means a lot. Leela ma'am, that's really, thank you so much, Henry. Thank you, Nalini. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Nabiha. Thank you.